Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fold and organize your t-shirts using a DIY cardboard organizer. So guys, it's a super easy and budget friendly way to declutter your space and stay organized. First you will need a piece of cardboard, and you can use old t-shirts and old shipping box. And next, grab an old t-shirt that you no longer wear. Lay the t-shirts flat on a table and place the cardboard on top of it, and cut the excess fabric around the cardboard, leaving enough to fold over the edges. And now it's time to secure the fabric to the cardboard, and start by folding the edges of the fabric over the cardboard, and use hot glue or stitch needle fabric glue to attach it securely. And make sure to pull the fabric tight to avoid any wrinkles and bumps. And once the fabric is attached, you can add compartment to your organizers, and you can do this by cutting additional pieces of cardboard and covering them with fabric, then attaching them inside the main organize with glue. Finally, personalized your organizer by adding labels or decorations. You can use markers, stickers, or even paint to it, make it unique to your style. And there you have it, DIY cardboard made from an old t-shirt. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to keep your space tidy and stylish. So guys, first lay your t-shirt flat on a clean surface and smooth out any wrinkles to ensure a clean fold. Next, fold one side of the t-shirt toward the center about 1/3 of the way. Repeat with the other side so that the sleeve are parallel. And then fold the bottom of the shirts up toward the collar and creating a rectangle shape. Now take your DIY cardboard organizer and place it vertically in your drawer or shelf. This will act as a divider to keep your shirts neat and organized. Start placing your foldable t-shirts vertically in the organizer, standing them up like piles in a filling cabinets. This method not only saves space but also make it easier to see all your shirts at once. Make sure to arrange your shirts by color or style for easy access. You can even label each section of the organizer to make finding specific shirts a breeze. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to fold and organize your t-shirts using a DIY cardboard organizer. Say goodbye to messy drawer and hello to a tidy wardrobe. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you try this method out, be sure to tag me in your photos so I can your organized t-shirts collections. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than word can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that brings joy and inspiration to your life. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.